you're a graphic designer and you want to learn more about UX, you're not alone. Graphic designers make up the single biggest group of students who take our courses. Why? We asked them, and this is what they said. Many are working within organizations where they're being asked to take on more and more UX responsibilities. These designers are learning UX on the job. A formal education fills the gaps in their knowledge, gives them more confidence that they're following the right processes, and helps them produce high-quality work. In a similar way, there are many designers who want to take on more UX responsibilities and transition to a UX role within their companies. A professional qualification gives them the confidence and the skills to do so. We also meet a lot of freelance graphic designers who want to add UX to their skill set and their credentials. Their clients are giving them more UX-related work, and they see more opportunities for new business if UX is added to their expertise. Finally, we talk to many graphic designers who just see a better career future in UX. UX is a natural extension to the design skills they already have. And as the UX industry grows rapidly, they see more prospects and higher salaries by steering their career in that direction. If this sounds like you should speak to one of our advisors about the professional diploma in UX design. It's helped hundreds of people become more credible, more effective, and more confident designers with a true understanding of the UX design process.